Hello learners! In this video, we are going to learn about the word families, short I words with sentences. These are the short I word families that we are going to see in this video. Let's start. Id, 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 hid, id, lid, id, bid, id, kid. Now let's read the sentence. The kid hid in the park. Ig, 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 dig, ig, pig, ig, wig, ig, fig. I'm gonna read the sentence. The big pig put on a red wig. In, in, bin, in, tin, in, fin, in, pin. Now let's read the sentence. I put the tin cup in the bin. It, it, kit, it, sit, it, bit, it, mit. Now here's a sentence. I bit into the peach and hit the pit. Ip, ip, dip, ip, lip, ip, hip, ip, zip. Now I'm gonna read the sentence. I tripped and did a flip. Ix, ix, fix, ix, six, ix, mix. Let's read the sentence. Rix, fix the problem. Ing, in, king, in, sing, in, ring, in, wing. Now I'm gonna read the sentence. The bird flaps its wings and sings a song. Ik, 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 thick, ik, kick, ik, brick, ik, stick. Let's read the sentence. Rick kicked the stick. Ill, ill, hill, ill, drill, ill, spill, ill, grill. Here's a sentence. Sal spilled ketchup on the grill. Ish, 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 dish, ish, fish. W, ish, wish. P, a, l, ish, polish. I'm going to read a sentence. The fish swam in the dish. E, n, k, ink. T, ink, think. S, ink, sink. W, ink, wink. D, ink, drink. Let's read the sentence. Tom drinks water from the sink.